Alright, when we multiply fractions, you can do this thing called cross-reducing. What you do is you kind of look at your diagonals to see if both numbers can be divided by the same thing. So for example, this 14 and the 2, can 14 and 2 be divided by the same number? Well, yes they can. You can divide them each by 2. So you actually do that reducing. 14 divided by 2 is 7, so you cross it off and replace it with a 7. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so cross it off and replace it with a 1. So it has to be a number from the top of a fraction reducing with a number from the bottom of a fraction. And you have to divide by the same number. So in that case I divided those both by 2's. Now if you check out your other diagonal, you have a 9 and a 3, and you can reduce a 9 and a 3. They both divide by 3. So down here 3 divided by 3 is 1. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So what you do is you just go ahead and multiply straight across the numbers that you have left. So 7 times 3 is 21, 1 times 1 is 1, and 21 over 1 is the same thing as a 21. So we got 21 on that one. Alright, next example, 2 over 5 times 10 over 7. Again, look for any of that reducing that you might be able to do. If I look at the 2 and the 7, that diagonal, I can't divide 2 and 7 by the same number, so let me check out the 10 and the 5. 10 and 5 both divide by 5, so 5 divided by 5 is 1, 10 divided by 5 is 2, and then you just multiply the numbers you have left. So 2 times that 2 is 4, over 1 times the 7 is 7. Anytime you do get your final answer, you want to see if you can reduce a 4 over 7. 4 over 7 cannot be divided by the same number, so you can't reduce it, leaving that as our final answer.